Hello, meow. This is a ragdoll cat. Meow, meow, meow. Ooh, looks so cute. Wow. He just come for food and then come out every evening. Yep. Hello. Are you hungry? There's food for you there. Why don't you have it? Sometimes he likes some biscuit. What are you mourning for? There's his food, but he seems doesn't like it yet. Alright. Hello. Alright. Come lie down there. Okay. He comes for food. Yeah, it's time for dinner. A bit early dinner. Right? Meow. Meow meow. Okay, I leave you with the food. Okay, that's it. Bye, meow.